you require to take responsibility. Compulsory. You require to take responsibility for anything, man. 100% responsibility I have to take. This is my life. I should sit in the driver's seat. I don't want to give the steering to some other person. The day you took the responsibility, the day you stopped blaming, that day your real growth is going to start. Remember carefully. Okay. So from this total, just connecting, controlling expenses. Is it required or not? Observe that. Controlling expenses. Is it required or not?
Sir,
It's required.
Obviously required. Obviously required. Don't do the things for show off purpose. Don't do the things for show off purpose. Suppose assume that I saw literally 2 days or 3 days or last week somewhere. Assume that my friend did grand function. Almost around 40 lakhs he spent for his kid birthday. How much money? How much money?
40 lakhs.
40 lakhs he spent for his kid birthday. There is a big function hall. Almost around huge number of people attended. Something like a big event kind of thing. Everyone clapped. Everyone felt happy. Too good, like they told. Too good, they told. And then end of the day, all the guests went. The food got completed. The decorations removed. The thing completed. I know his financial background. I went to the function. I didn't enjoy. This person, why he is taking this much risk like anyway, that is his wish. He has his own reasons. No one is the crazy in the world. Next day, just he made a call. My situation is a very horrible. For all I record to pay this much. For so and so, by yesterday I paid 30 lakhs by borrowing from some ex-person. But by today evening, the remaining 10 lakhs I record to pay. I'm not having single paisa. From where I record to borrow? My situation is very dangerous. I'm not getting sleep. This is the statement I heard from the same person. Have you observed? Who did the mistake? If you have, without borrowing, if you have own money, you can celebrate second birthday, you can celebrate third birthday, you can celebrate fourth birthday in most grand way. Just near people, some 2 lakhs or 1 lakh or 2 lakhs, you can do the same thing. Sir, here observe that. By doing the function with 40 lakhs amount, what advantage he got, what the problem he faced. He got, everyone admired, everyone appreciated, everyone. Matter of just 1 hour. But to clear that 40 lakhs, minimum he required to spend 5 to 6 years. This is the bigger mistake most of the people are doing. I did multiple times the same kind of mistake. Now completely version 2.0 is the Durga Sir. Completely version 2.0. I did the bigger mistakes of this type of thing in my life. Now if I recollect those things, why I did such type of worst mistakes like I felt a bit shame. Next I told to my mother is telling, that thing completed, leave it, because my mother hand is also there. Bigger mistakes. So by seeing his face, my friend face, really, you are not having the money. What is the need of doing the function by borrowing? Just 1 lakh, 2 lakhs borrowing is okay. 40 lakhs borrowing, man. When is going to? Then this person fall into the rat race. When he is going to come out? Believe me, I went to the function. I'm not in a position to eat happily, because the reason for that is I know his financial background, I know his situation. Every day we are traveling together. Are you in the position to understand? Controlling expenses must be required.